Have you ever pondered the intriguing possibility that Jesus returned to Earth in the year 1980? In an unexpected twist of history, this question might not be as far-fetched as it initially appears. In the heart of Jerusalem, beneath the bustling city streets, a tomb was discovered in 1980. But this was no ordinary tomb. It was believed to be the final resting place of Jesus and his family. The names inscribed on the ossuaries within the tomb presented a unique confluence, causing the world to hold its breath and wonder. Could this be the tangible link to Jesus' earthly return? The University of Toronto, in their cautious optimism, affirmed the conservative odds of the tomb's authenticity. This was not a claim made lightly, but was the result of rigorous scientific investigation and examination. The mystery of the tomb and its inhabitants became a beacon for scientific exploration, leading to a visionary proposal that was as bold as it was groundbreaking. The proposal involved the use of an artificial uterus to grow cloned stem cells, effectively resurrecting the members of the Jesus family tomb. This scientific endeavor was not undertaken lightly, but was fueled by the drive to uncover the truth, to bridge the gap between spirituality and science, and to explore the potential of human ingenuity. Yet, as we journey through this intriguing narrative, it's essential to remember the critical points of this discussion. The discovery of the tomb in Jerusalem, believed to be that of Jesus and his family, was a significant historical event that sparked worldwide interest and debate. The scientific endeavors that followed, including the proposal to use an artificial uterus for resurrection, showcased the incredible potential of human innovation when faced with the profound mysteries of our existence. And finally, the contemplation of Jesus' possible return to Earth in 1980 serves as a reminder of the enduring power of faith and the enduring quest for understanding that defines us as human beings. At the intersection of spirituality, science, and human potential, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of understanding, looking out over a vista of possibilities that stretch the boundaries of our comprehension. As we continue to explore these mysteries, we are reminded of our inherent potential to seek, to question, and to discover. In the grand tapestry of existence, each thread weaves a story of connection, of discovery, and of potential. And it is in the unraveling of these threads that we find our journey towards understanding, towards truth, and towards a deeper connection with the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration into the possibility of Jesus' return in 1980, the scientific endeavors sparked by the discovery of the tomb, and the potential of human innovation when faced with the profound mysteries of our existence. Until next time, may your journey be filled with curiosity and wonder.